Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Gabby. I am doing this look today that was done by one of my friends on TikTok. Her name is Sarah, and I will definitely post the face chart right here. So this is what we are doing today, and it's based on the face chart. I know I didn't get everything 100% correct, and this eye actually ended up looking better than this one because I kind of rushed this one a little bit. This looks like hot garbage, and this one looks really, really good. I just did something weird, I don't know if you saw it, but this one looks really good compared to this one, so I'm just gonna pretend that this one doesn't exist. So the person that created the face chart, her name is Sarah, and I will list her Instagram and her TikTok down below. She's really funny and she's really, really creative, so definitely go check her out. And I really enjoyed doing this look. It took about 2.5 hours to just complete everything with rhinestones and lipstick and just getting the eyebrows to go away. It took a long time. So I do hope you like and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to click on that bell so that way you are notified whenever I do upload. I'm trying to do that twice a week. I'm trying. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started.
First, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and I'm using that to prime my lid. And now I'll pat it out just to make sure everything's all nice and even. For those of you that don't know, this is one of my favorite palettes, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. That is a mouthful. Now I'm going to mix my Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in beige and the Total Control Pro Drop Foundation in the shade Mahogany and use that to cut out my crease. Now for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Mini Volume 2. And now for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 4.
Alrighty guys, and this would be it for the finished look. I feel like I look a little weird, but that's okay. I really like the way the colors just like go together. Like the purple pulls everything together, and I'm completely here for it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video and the transformation. I guess you didn't really get that much of a transformation. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!